Back with another video. Chrisean knee is out of place. Chrisean and Chrisean Jr. spending time. Let's get into it. Before we get into it, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my videos, and go ahead and share it if you like. So on one of the videos that was posted before, she had kind of put her knee out of place, and Smiley was like trying to, put it back in place. And so on this one, she's like running around and, running, trying to get herself together. She's talking about how her knee is bothering her. I like the fact of her pushing the other people and telling them to go and working together. I like to see stuff like that. And she ended up hanging out with these girls in the college and doing stuff with them, chilling with them, rooting them on type thing. But the biggest thing I like is a video of her and Junior. I don't know if you call him Junior now or Chrisean Porter, whatever you want to call him. I put Junior just so you know exactly who I'm talking about, because some of y'all may not realize Chrisean Junior is now Chrisean Porter, and you maybe think I'm talking about Chrisean, the mom, Chrisean. But anyway, they spending time together. He's sleeping, relaxing, loving his mom loving on him. Y'all know I love to show stuff like that. I love kids to death. But anyway, here's the video.
Here you go, the baby. Shut the fuck up. I be jogging like y'all. Y'all be looking like y'all ain't doing shit. Shut the fuck up. What goes wrong? Tell me to shut the fuck up and grab. It's me. Cake is good as in the pocket! Pick up your right arm! Straight up your right arm! Let's go, Allie! Good job, Allie! Pick up your right arm, Allie! Nice job, Allie! Keep going! That was a hell of a run! Why is there
What's going on, Smiley?
Oh no.
Probably out here looking for somebody.
Looking for
Looking for you. Yalla.
Yalla. Like you yelling, Yalla. Yalla, stop yelling.
Like Dawn and then La. No.
They funny and shit. I would've just went to the Raven for snack scout. They were trying to go put in at work. What do you have here? 6, 7, 8, 7? It's just late, baby.
Bye.
It's 5 o'clock. Y'all just leaving school for real. You didn't really have to.
Yeah.
Oh, you take a scooter?
Yeah, that's my little bit.
Period.
Transportation.
Okay, I need a scooter. It's like, nah. Oh, where did Naomi go? She left?
Yeah, she did.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you, Allie.
It was nice meeting you too. Hopefully I see y'all again. Yes.
You are, nigga. When is the next UCLA meet? A long time, huh?
Yeah. We don't got nothing out here anytime soon. Alright.
Well, that's respect. Let's go, Allie. Woo! I'm Team Allie.
You were coaching today, Chrisean.
I was. Yeah, because my knee is out of place. I can barely fucking run myself right now. It's just pissing me off. And what did you do all day? What? So No, that yoga look good as shit. Did you film some content for you at least? Snapchat buddy? Snapchat buddy?
Y'all see that? See how sweet and cute and innocent he is? I like the fact she keep posting him. And one thing I do like I said before, is the fact that when you post stuff, it come back up later. They got all this technology, all this, you know, social media and stuff. You put your kids up, you see it years later or whatever, you know, you kind of keep it. Back in the day, people would take pictures and do stuff like that, take some video. And then they'll be like, oh, Lord, where's it? And they got to go looking for it. But posting it on social media, come back up. I think that's kind of cool. But anyway, y'all comment down below, like the video, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to Banger Plate Gang, subscribe to Trish World. Make sure you check me out on social media. Check out my shop, check out my IGT page, shop with your girl. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, be blessed.